Good afternoon, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Enjoying your English class on this digital platform. I once again welcome you in today's class, part 10 of determiners. Okay? So, my dear students, today we will be studying multiple choice questions which is based on your exam. This type of questions will come in your term 1 examination. Okay. So, let us continue this lesson, multiple choice question. You see here, choose the correct fit for the blank. I mean, this is fill in the blanks. This is fill in the blanks. You see, the first question is there any water left in dash? Actually, this answer is by mistake, it's printed. I will just darken it. Okay, I am sorry for this. This is a printing mistake by the Department of Printing. So, is there any water left in dash fridge? First answer I will tell you. The options are A and the R. A and the R. ये ऑप्शंस है. इसमें द इज करेक्ट. इज देयर एनी वाटर लेफ्ट इन द फ्रिज? द क्यों लगा? बिकॉज हियर द रिफर्स टू ए स्पेसिफिक थिंग, फ्रिज ओवर हियर. ओके, मैं बताया हूं जब द का यूज क्या होता है, कब होता है? ए स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग जो भी है उसके लिए द का प्रयोग होता है, आर्टिकल द. तो द यहाँ स्पेसिफिक चीज क्या है? फ्रिज. इज देयर इन वाटर? पूछ रहा है मैंने, वही फ्रिज. दैट फ्रिज इज नोन टू हिम हु इज टॉकिंग, हु इज आस्किंग आस्किंग दैट इज देयर एनी वाटर लेफ्ट इन डैश फ्रिज. दैट्स व्हाई द विल कम ओवर हियर. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज शी गॉट her visa without dash problems. Yes, last bench, come. She got her visa without dash problems. The options are little, any, every, either. Do you agree with his answer? Yes, sir. Yes, he is absolutely right. She got her visa without any problem, without any problems. So, any is the right answer. Any is the right answer. Okay? Now, we will move on to the third question. Dash movie is releasing on coming Friday. The options are what, which, whose, how. What माने क्या होता है? क्या. Which माने कौन सा. Whose means किसका. How means कैसे. Okay, you know very well. Sometimes there is a confusion between what and which should be used between these two. So, yes, last bench, you come. Do you all agree? Yes. Which movie is releasing on coming Friday? He is absolutely right. This answer is absolutely right. I will write over here. So, now the fourth question. Move on to the fourth question. I need to pack dash apple for my lunch. The options are A and the is. So it's very simple. Yes, from the girls, Tanya. Tannu, क्या नाम है? Tanya. Yes. Give the right answer. Yes, you're right. Yes, she is absolutely right. I need to pack an apple for my lunch. An apple is absolutely correct. Okay? यहाँ क्योंकि ए एप्पल नहीं हो सकता है, दो एप्पल नहीं हो सकता है, इज एप्पल नहीं हो सकता है. इज इज ए वर्ब ओवर देयर. And A and the, they are determiners of the category in articles. Okay? So I'll move on to the next slide, and the next question before you is question number 5. Don't look directly at dash sun. The options are A and the M. These are the 4 options. Yes, you come. Don't look directly at dash sun. Pick the correct option. Do you all agree with our answer? Okay. Thank you. Don't look directly at the sun is absolutely right, because the sun is one in the universe. It is a universal thing. The sun is a universal thing. So the is absolutely correct over here. Okay, we use the moon with say the earth, the stars, the sky. Okay, so sun is a universal thing. Okay, only one. Now come to question number 6. She went with both dash younger brothers. The options are her, both, half, all. These are the 4 options. Okay? Yes, you come. Do you all agree? Yes, he is absolutely right. She went with both her younger brothers. This answer is absolutely right. Okay? Now I will move on to the next slide. Question number 7. She was wearing a watch on dash wrist. The options are his, her, its, their. Yes, Ritesh, you come. The options are, you see, her. Do you all agree? Yes, her is absolutely right. She was wearing a watch on her wrist. His wrist नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Its wrist नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Their नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Okay? So her wrist, her is the correct answer. Yes, you come. I'll read out first. The police spoke separately to dash suspect. Suspect कौन है? Suspect जिसके ऊपर सस्पिशन किया जा रहा है, जिसके ऊपर डाउट किया जा रहा है. ठीक है? क्राइम किया है और क्राइम करने वाला कौन है, उस पे उसको सस्पेक्ट बोलते हैं, जिसके ऊपर पुलिस संदेह कर रहा है. द ऑप्शंस आर ए एंड द में. टेक द करेक्ट आंसर. द पुलिस स्पोक सेपरेटली टू द सस्पेक्ट. डू यू ऑल एग्री? Yes, you are absolutely right. Thank you. The is absolutely right. The police spoke separately to the suspect. I will move on to the next slide, and I will come with a new question. Question number 9. Dash school does your son goes? The options are Please don't speak. No, don't give the answer from there. The options are what, whose, which, how. Yes, you come. Take the correct option. Do you all agree? Yes. What school does your son goes? It's wrong. Whose school won't come? How school won't come? So which school? Which is the correct answer? Which school does your son goes? Now we'll move on to the 10th question. Okay. I always keep dash money in my wallet. There will be a full stop over here. I always keep dash money in my wallet. Wallet का मतलब होता है पर्स. Okay. The options are any, every, some, both. Yes, you come. Take the correct option, please. Do you all agree with his answer? Yes, sir. I always keep some money in my wallet is absolutely right. Okay? Clear? Now I will move on to the next slide. And the next question. And the next question before you is question number 11. Ramesh is a keen player, but unfortunately he has dash skills. The options are few, a little, a bit of, little. Yes, from the girls. Vaishnavi, you come. Take the correct answer. Ramesh is a keen player, but unfortunately he has dash skills. Do you all agree with her? Is it incorrect? Go. Ramesh is a keen player, but unfortunately he has dash skills. Yes. Give the right answer. From the girls, Kumkum, come. Do you think it's wrong? Yes, you're right. So, Ramesh is a keen player, but unfortunately he has a little skills. Okay. Do you think a little is correct? Do you all agree? Yes. A little is correct. A bit of नहीं होगा, little नहीं होगा. ठीक है. अच्छा, little भी थोड़ा सा लग रहा है होने के जैसा. कोई है जो little को ऊपर ये करना चाहेगा? Do you agree with little? Little भी थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा है, लेकिन a little is absolutely correct. Okay. Now you see question number 12. Dash name was first in the list. The options are which, whose, what, how. You come. Take the correct answer. Do you agree with his answer? Yes, whose is absolutely right, because which cannot be put over here, what cannot be put over here, how also cannot be put over here. So whose is the correct answer? We say whose name was first in the list. किसका नाम? यहाँ किसका, हिंदी में whose का मतलब किसका. ठीक है. which means दूसरा हो जाता है, और what का मतलब दूसरा हो जाता है, how का मतलब दूसरा हो सकता है. ठीक है. Now I will move on to the next slide. You see, 13th question. He gave me dash advice on the matter. The options are few, some, little, a little. You come. Do you all agree? Yes, some is absolutely right. We say that he gave me some advice on the matter. जहां एडवाइस की बात आती है तो हम लोग सम का यूज करते हैं. I have shown in examples also while teaching this lesson. Okay, so sum is absolutely correct. Now 14th one, dash cars are for sale. Okay, डैश कार सेल के लिए है, बिक्री के लिए है. सेल का मतलब बिक्री के लिए. ठीक है. सो दिस, दैट, दीज, देम. ओके, इसमें दोज नहीं है. ठीक है. सो यू सी, आई विल कॉल वन ऑफ यू. यू कम. यस, अंश. Yes, what do you say? He is right? Yes, he is absolutely right. Because यहाँ क्या है? These cars are plural. तो this नहीं हो सकता है. That also stands for singular. So these stands for plural. So these cars are for sale. So this is correct. Okay? Come to the 15th question. Very dash people follow the rules. The options are few, a few, little, a little. These are the four options. Yes, you come. Come and take the right answer. Do you all agree? Yes, he is absolutely right. Very few, when we talk about few, and before that very comes. Okay, I have given in examples also. Very few people follow the rules. Okay, other options won't be correct. Now question number 16. She has dash sons. 3, 3rd, 21st, much. So you come. Sundaram, in front of you, in front of you. Do you think he is correct? Yes, he is absolutely correct, because here she has dash sons. This dash refers to number. Okay. What numbers? I have taught you cardinal numbers. Am I right? I have taught you cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal numbers means first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to whatever you can count. And ordinal number refers to the position or rank. Third cannot be put there, 21st cannot be. These are ordinal numbers. Okay. And much refers to some amount. So this sons refers to number, संख्या से संबंधित है. So 3 will be the correct answer. She has 3 sons. Now we will move on to the next question. Question number 17. You just see. I don't have dash best friend. The options are none, no, not any. कौन नहीं आया है? Yes, you come. Do you all agree with his answer? Yes, this answer is absolutely right. I don't have any best friend. Any will be used over here. None you cannot write. No you cannot write. Not you cannot write. So any is absolutely right. Okay. Now come to 18th one. Someone took dash book when I went out. The options are its, my, hers, me. These are the three options. Okay. Ria. Yes. Tell me, is she right? She is absolutely right. Someone took dash book when I went out. It refers to possessive determiner. It refers to possessive determiner. That's why my will come over here. You cannot write its, hers, me, because it refers to possession of a thing. अधिकार और हक की बात हो रही है. मेरे किताब, मेरी किताब. Okay, that's why my will come over here. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide. This is the last slide in today's session. Dash people are standing here. Okay, any, some, little, much. These are the four options. Yes, you come, last bench. You pick the correct option, please. Dash people are standing here. Do you all agree with him? Yes. He is absolutely right. Dash people means some people, some is absolutely right. Some people are standing here. You can't say any people. Okay. This refers to plural also. Okay. Little people you cannot say, much people you cannot say, some people. तो ये countable है. People, number of people are countable. So we use some over there. Okay? Clear? Now come to the last question. Last question is, she saw dash star yesterday. Dash star yesterday. The options are A and the M. Okay. Now you come. She saw the star yesterday. She knew the star. The star is known to her. So I don't think she is right. Okay, you can go. This is the wrong answer. One more chance you will get. Okay. You come. She saw dash star yesterday. Hey. Do you all agree? Yes. Star refers to a singular thing. Okay. She saw a star yesterday. The star you cannot write. The star you cannot write. Because that star is not known to you. Here, a star is not a specific thing. So you cannot use the. Am I right? So we have come to the end of multiple choice questions. So I have taught you 20 questions and I will be giving more questions. I will be making you practice more and more questions in the coming classes. Okay, more multiple choice questions, and I will be also sending questions on your app. Okay, the multiple choice questions I will be sending. But before I conclude, I want to remind you that I will be starting the next lesson, reported speech. Okay, the next lesson of yours will be reported speech in the next class. So kindly come prepared. Okay, I will be teaching you in detail about reported speech. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear students. Thank you.